This video is on how to use Dropbox and basically why to use Dropbox. If you follow the link and establish our Dropbox account, it may ask you to download the installation. That is for your home computer. At home, you can install Dropbox, and what it will do is it will automatically make a folder like this one, and it's in my documents account, and it's called Dropbox. And anything I drop into this folder will automatically show up on my online Dropbox account. And likewise, anything I have in my online Dropbox account will automatically show up in this folder. The advantage of installing it at home is if you're working on a paper, if you're working on a project, anything for school, you just keep it in your Dropbox account. And you want to empty it when you're not working on it, obviously, or you'd fill up your Dropbox account. But if you put it there, like I'm currently working on this blended learning grant, and everything that I'm working on I have in this folder, and it's in this folder right here too. And so as I'm working on this grant, I actually edit the paper right here, and then when I go home and I look at my Dropbox folder, it's right there. Now at school you're not going to install the software because you're not at the same computer every day, but you can easily still use it the same. It works just like the upload location did at school. If you want to upload a file, you click upload and it lets you go to the file, or you can just drag and drop it. If I've got I'm going to go ahead and close this out. If I've got a file that I want to add to Dropbox, for instance, we'll say this small test video. Okay, so I'm going to just drag it over here in Dropbox. Dropbox is automatically going to go and it's uploading that file into my online account. Now, just so you know, once it's uploaded there, now if I look over on this folder, let me go back to the folder, look, it's right there as well. And on the application, when you install it, the green check marks means it has been uploaded. So I've got Dropbox installed at multiple different computers, my laptop, my desktop at home, my desktop at work. And anytime I drag something into my Dropbox folder online, it shows up at all those computers. So it's a way for you to access your stuff here at school, just like you did with the file upload download location, and keep things synced with a folder at home while you're working on those things. The other thing that gives you is that if you've got an Android or an iPhone or an iTouch or an iPad or an Android tablet, you can install the Dropbox app and it will do the same thing. If I've got a Dropbox app on my iPad and all these documents are on my iPad, just by open up the app and there they are. So it's a way to keep everything synced up with the cloud. Way better than that upload download location on Moodle where you had to physically put it there every single time you did it. Now you still have to, if I open this document right here and were to open this blended learning grant document, if I open this, I still have to re-upload it if I accessed it online, just like you had to do with the upload download location. But it at least lets you know when the last time it was modified, and you definitely know if it's the right one, because if I go and do this and hit save, it's not going to say I modified the document, so I have to re-upload the new one when I do that. But basically it works just like the upload download location with a million added things on top of it too. One thing that you can do, which you couldn't do with the Moodle one, is that I can make a folder that I share. This public folder is all shared by default, but I can also make a Dropbox folder and share that Dropbox folder with other people, so that if we're working on a project together, we can share that Dropbox folder and keep all of our stuff there. So one of the other advantages of using Dropbox.